Top of the morning, evening, night, or day, ladies and gentlemen. This is me here today on behalf of All Prepared Men, and in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing something pretty similar to what we unboxed in my last video. So if that sounds right up your alley, don't forget to stay up until the very end. In the meantime, roll the intro.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain, and the following video is for subscribed devices only.
Right, so here it is, ladies and gentlemen. It arrived today, and these are very similar to the Vans that we unboxed in my last video, as in they're also Vans Mono, but they are a totally different color. And I'm getting right down to business because I'm really excited to see what these shoes look like. Okay, so my first impression of these shoes is that they're freaking cool, man. I don't know what it is about the Vans Mono that I enjoy so much, but actually, I think I do. It's the simplicity of having a shoe that I know in the simplest way I've ever seen it. Like, this is literally the old Skool, which normally has a white stripe, in the same color. That just really clicks with my brain. And here it is. This is the right shoe. Actually, sorry guys, this is the left shoe. And you can see that the sole is in pretty good condition here. The top of the shoe as well. I think it's actually in better condition than the previous shoes we opened here on the channel, because the color is really strong here. You can see that this was worn less than the shoes we opened here last, or at least washed less. Here on the inside we can see the Vans logo pretty well, which means that the shoe didn't see a lot of wear. We got no rips over here as well, and the Vans logo is black and brown, which I think it's kind of cool. Actually, no, this is not black. This is green and light green. Because I'm wearing sunglasses indoors, it kind of looks black. Anyway, this is the right shoe. The sole is in pretty sweet condition as well. And on the inside, we still have that Vans sticker. I don't think this sticker is specific to Vans, because I think I've seen it on other shoes. This is the sticker that I'm talking about, at least a part of it. I don't think this is specific to Vans, but it's nice that we still have a sticker here in good condition, because it really goes to show that these shoes were not worn out a lot at all. So, what are my first impressions? These are beautiful shoes. I'm super happy I discovered Vans Mono, because they're like the old Skool, except they're just a little bit cooler. Like, these shoes say look at my feet without saying look at my feet. And when you look at my feet, you'll be impressed that I'm not wearing something extravagant and that I actually have a simplistic style. So that's what the Vans Mono feels like to me. It feels like an amazing going out shoe that you can just match with your outfits, and you won't be wearing something out of this world. You'll be wearing something that fits right into this world, but looks like it's out of this world, if that makes sense. Anyway, that pretty much brings us to the end of this unboxing. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and that you're here to stay. So on that note, I will love you and leave you to have the rest of an amazing day. This is your boy logging out. Peace.